Welcome! In this Callcabinet how-to video, I will explain how to use Callcabinet's compliance call share feature. Compliance sharing allows for the secure sharing of recorded call audio from the cloud. This is a critical tool for compliance, which allows individuals with or without a Callcabinet account to review call audio. Let us begin. Log into your Callcabinet account and proceed to Callcabinet's call listing page. Rendered is the call listing page and by default displays the last 7 days of call volume. Select the call you would like to share by clicking on the View Call button associated with that call. You will find yourself in the Call Details screen. The Call Details screen displays a wealth of useful information for operations where call compliance is critical. From the call, depending on your subscription, you will be able to see if there were any PCI redactions on the call. You'll be able to follow along with the transcript underneath, and you'll be able to see any of your agent's screenshots. The horizontal menu on this page gives users an array of vital compliance action tools. From this list, click on the Share button. This will initialize the Share Call dialog. Enter the email address or addresses separated by a semicolon of the person or persons you want to share the call with. Enter any text in the comments field, which will appear in email to your addressee. Select the amount of time that the call audio you're sharing is to be available for by clicking on the drop-down menu. Select an option. For security, select the shortest time that is feasible. If the permissions are granted, a user can select the checkboxes next to data items from the call detail page to include in the compliance share. The users can choose between call extensions, share screenshots, share time-based notes, share point-in-time notes, and share transcription of the call. The final two options in the Share Call dialog allow the share recipient to add notes directly to the call detail page. Turning on Notify Me if a note is added will add the recipient's comments directly into the email you, the logged in user, will receive should the recipient add any notes. Once your preferences are set, click Share. The email is sent to all the recipients. Let us look at the email Callcabinet sent. Here we can see the compliance email has arrived. By opening this email, you will notice that the body of the email contains a link that, when clicked, will navigate the recipient to the call share and will open directly in the recipient's browser. Observe that the recipient will have access to whatever data you opted to share from the call. Let us look at what happens when your addressee or recipient adds notes to the call you shared. By clicking on the Notes button, initializes the Call Notes dialog. Simply add comments, and once done, click Save. You will notice that the note is successfully saved. As soon as the Save button is clicked, an automatic notification is generated back to you, the original sender. Let us take a look at that notification email. Opening the notification from your inbox, you will see some call details and the notes that our recipient added to the call. To assist users during an audit, the customer log contains every instance of a third party accessing a shared call. Each instance of the third party activity will contain the time that the call was accessed, the email of the person that it was sent to, and their IP address. These vital details can help you stay compliant with certain data sharing laws. This concludes this how-to video tutorial on compliance call sharing through Callcabinet. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.